Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathways All-Time Maths. Today we will understand how we can use section formula to solve various coordinate geometry problems. But before that, subscribe to my channel. Let us understand first what is section formula. So for that, we will consider some points. Let PXY divide a line segment AB with the coordinates A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2 in the ratio m1 ratio m2. So if we have to draw it, we'll draw it like this is a line segment, let it be AB, and this is the point B, which is xy is dividing the line segment in the ratio m1 and m2. A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2. So the coordinates of P using the section formula are written as P x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2, and the y coordinate can be written as m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. So we can use this section formula to find the coordinate of this point P. In this question, A is minus 1 comma 7, B is 4 comma minus 3, and P is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. Now we will substitute the values in the section formula. So for that we will take let PXY is the point which divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Therefore, PXY is equals to, now we have to use the formula. M1 will write down below this M1, M2 will write down below this X1, Y1, and here X2, Y2, and then we will substitute the values. So M1 is 2, X2 is 4, plus M2 is 3, and X1 is minus 1. We'll write down that. And here M1 is 2 and M2 is 3, comma M1 is 2, Y2 is minus 3, plus M2 is 3 and Y1 is 7, divided by 2 plus 3. Once you will solve it, you will get equals to 2 into 4 is 8, plus into 3 is plus 3, plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, and this will be 5, comma 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, and 3 into 7 is plus 21 over 5, which is equals to 8 minus 3 is 5 over 5, and minus 6 plus 21 is 15 over 5, and finally you can simplify it. You will get 1, you will get 3, and the point PXY is equals to 1, 3. Thus you can solve the similar questions by using the section formula. So do not stop practicing. I'm sharing a link for the worksheet in the description box. So do practice and make yourself perfect. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe, like the videos and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.